students. Here I'm safe. What about you? I hope you are doing well.
Utility is a function of consuming x and y. We put this in equation u is equal to f of xy. Utility is equal to function of x and y. Here keep in mind x and y can be iPads, cars, anything. X and y can be time, love, anything. We can examine this. Take along x-axis quantity of good x. Same the way y-axis quantity of good y. Data saying that utility is equal to function of x and y. Here we compare x and y between relationship of utility. An indifference curve was like this, downsloping and concave. Utility point A is consumed 60y and 10x. Another, there is utility point B consumed 40 of good y and 20 of good x. Utility of A and B the same utility point C consumed. Here C consumed 20 of good y and 40 of good x. And now we know that A, B and C, the utility among these 3 points are the same. As we know in this example, utility is constant along this consume and also utility same on one single indifference curve. Now come to the point A, B and C on marginal rate of substitution, that is utility is constant along the consume and also utility same on one single indifference curve. Now come to the point A, B and C on marginal rate of substitution, that is point A to B is equal to change in y divided by change in x is equal to, now change in y is 60 than the 40y divided by change in x is 10 to 20. This is equal to 20 divided by negative 10. That is equal to 2 divided by negative 1. Again one more, B to C. Change in delta y divided by change in x is equal to 40 good y minus 20 good y divided by 20 good x minus 40 good x is equal to 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1 by negative 1. Again one more, C to D point, change in y divided by change in x is equal to 20 minus 10 divided by 40 minus 70 is equal to 10 by negative 30 is equal to 1 by negative 3. Observe A to B point, B to C point and C to D points are negatively sloped down, means readings are recording dropped slowly diminishing. Utility is the same, curve negatively dropped down. See, as you see here, 2 by 1 decreased 1 by 1 and decreased negative 1/3. Understood here clearly A to B point, B to C point and C to D point. There is decreasing records or recording, means values are diminishing. But utility is same, curve negatively dropped down like 2 by 1, 1 by 1, negative 1/3. Let we examine from A to B to B to C, B to C to C to D, values are decreasing. Utility is same, curve only negatively dropped down. Can we take another example to identify indifference curve is in flat shape? What happens? I'll take here green color indifference curve, it is flat shape. We will take A to E, another point on the different curve green color. Here the changes are change in y is equal to 60 minus 40 is equal to 20. Change in x is equal to 20 minus 60 is equal to negative 40. Totally it is equal to negative half. In this example, y more than x. So this hypothesis is wrong. Let's take another indifference curve. First indifference curve utility less than the second indifference curve utility. Let's we take another curve that utility of third indifference curve more than first and second indifference curves. Let's we examine this example. Point A utility is equal to function of 10, 60 and point B utility is equal to function of 30 and 60. We concluded that point A utility is less than the point B utility. In this example, the consumer consumed y is 60 in 2 points but x is 10 to 30. Here the consumer increased his utility. Same at the point of utility is C. Good x is 30 to 50 increased, but in y good same. Means A point of utility less than the B point of utility less than the C point of utility. Remember, utility constant on single indifference curve and indifference curves utility more than the previous curves. That is, utility of A point is less than the utility of B. Utility of B less than the utility of C. Means utility of A less than the utility of B and utility of C.
Till now you understood clearly indifference curve analysis. In that marginal rate of substitution, marginal rate of substitution of x good y relation is equal to change in y divided by change in x. Later we will discuss another topic. Thank you children.